What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be working on our friend's Type R, Michael Chow's Type R. You guys seen this 2 videos ago. He picked this brand new 2025 CTR in championship white. Absolutely gorgeous guys. This is actually one of my favorite colors. I think Sonic Gray is really hot. If I had to pick, I'll probably pick this color in my opinion. I don't know, I think white is clean. Michael's car is completely stock since last time. He hasn't done anything yet, no tint, nothing. So today we're actually gonna be putting on a lip kit for him and our new wing. So that's coming out. The wing is unfortunately not with us, and I'll explain to you why in a second. But today we're gonna be installing the lip kit first. We're gonna be putting on the V2 front lip, which is the hottest lip for the CTR. This is the updated version, like I said in the last video. So it's gonna change the whole front end. And we got these side skirts coming, best style side skirts, version 1s, and then we have the rear spats. Michael is doing a OEM Plus look. He also have exhaust coming, which we can do in another video. We're gonna be swapping the wing today, and also he's gonna do the springs. We actually made our own springs, guys, for this. We've been doing a lot of springs for the WXs, and we actually developed our own springs for the Type R. That will be probably available in March or April, so I'm very excited for that. It's gonna be a 1-inch drop, good fitment. It's gonna ride super comfortable. As you guys know, I have Swift on our Type R. It's a little bit stiff for me, and for those that want to make it a little softer, you have to buy a module, which is like $300-400. So instead of that, we're gonna develop our own springs to make the ride quality even more comfortable and still handles amazing. So yeah, let's get started. So for today, I went to pick up the parts already at our shop. If you guys don't know, we do a lot of installation here now. We might move back to the shop, hopefully, fingers crossed, because we picked up a few parts already from the shop. I got the side skirts, front lip, and the rear spats. He also ordered the carbon fiber trim, which is on the vent trim, but last minute he was like, I don't want it anymore, so I'm gonna give one of you guys this nice looking trim. So comment below your favorite color for the CTR, okay? And then I'll pick a random winner. We'll give away our AFD hood vent cover to one of you guys, carbon fiber. I'll open this up and show you guys. So let's go ahead and get this installed. Oh, before I continue, guys, we have to pick the winner from the last video for our downpipe. And a lot of guys are commenting if there's a leak. I guarantee you we installed that properly. I don't know what it is, okay? I personally have a lot of downpipes on my car and that don't, have any leaks. I mean, I know what catalyst smells like. I know what a leak smells like. So I think it's just this car, for some reason, catalyst, like at a stop sign, it just comes, like let's say I'm doing a pull, first third, and it comes to stop sign, all the air just comes right into the cabin. Anyways, aside from that, the new downpipe we have on, it's good right now. So another thing, our downpipe that we installed last week, we did get a check engine light. By the way, in the video, we didn't show you, but the fitment was kind of it was a huge ass gap, but we would make it work, right? Yeah, with the flex pipe. So I got check engine light after 300 miles of driving Type R, so unfortunately, but I'm gonna go get the car tuned soon, so it don't really matter anymore. But anyways, guys, so we have a lot of comments, and I'm gonna pick a random winner. All right, guys, I have all the comments loaded up. Okay, it's like only 60 comments, so hopefully one of you guys get it. So let me know when to stop, Jerry. Ooh, jeez. Yo, shout out to Kenny MSA. Congrats, bro. You won the downpipe. All right, guys, comment below, and I'm gonna go ahead and give out one of these bad boys to one of you guys. And then let's go ahead and get all these parts done for Michael. By the way, Michael, if you're watching this, I want a nice steak dinner, okay? Because I know you're getting hooked up on these parts right now. I'm just kidding. No, seriously, I want a steak dinner. This is the carbon fiber. Ooh, shit, Michael, I don't even know why you don't want this. I get it, there's not a lot of carbon on the car, but this looks, bro, look at this. Look at this, all I gotta do is put this over. Sheesh. Oh, guys, comment below, guys. Hopefully one of you guys can take this home. It actually looks really, really nice, in my opinion. But I get it though, like some people, they don't want the gloss black. There's not much carbon going on, because if you do one carbon, you're gonna end up doing a lot of carbon, but we have this on our car, and I think it looks fine. This will be on the website today, make it easier for you guys, because I know a lot of guys order everything separately through the checkout, so it'll be actually under one category now. So you can pick the front lip, version 1, version 2, and the version 3 coming out, which is not out yet. We have the side skirts and the rear spats. We're also making a rear diffuser, guys, coming soon using the actual OEM diffuser. Actually, we're gonna save that for another day because I don't want to release too much information. I'm not allowed to. But the wing today, we're gonna go pick it up because the wing is actually on our car. But anyways, off topic, let's head back to the lip kit first. Everything is prepped. As you can see, the rear spats come a double-sided tape already. You pop off the OEM clips and you literally just pop it on. Use the adhesive promoter that comes with this. So what that does is actually, it helps stick with the 3M. A lot of people think, oh, 3M is not gonna work. Actually, it works really well if applied properly. So you need to grab adhesive, make sure you clean the bottom of the car first, alcohol wipes, wipe it, use adhesive promoter, and then boom, stick it right on. Same with side skirts. All you gotta do is use self-tapping screws, no 3M tape. You can use 3M tape, but I would just secure with self-tapping screws. And the front lip, obviously this is our new version 2.5, V2, we'll call it 2.5. Every few months, we always try to make sure our products are fitted. We always check our molds. You know, we added these new tabs for the V2s now, so make it a little easier for installation. Same with V2, you just pop off all the clips on the bottom, clean the bottom of the bumper, use adhesive promoter, and then boom, install all this, and can use self-tapping screws too as additional support, which I would. But then that, guys, this is it. Let's get some B-rolls. Here's the car stock, and it's gonna look crazy just with the lip kit. All right, guys, now that we're done with the side skirts, it looks super clean. We'll go ahead and move to the front, which is my favorite part of the mod of all the full lip kit. I already took off all the clips, as you can see. You literally just pop off all the bottom of the clips. There's one screw on the side you gotta take off that goes back on. Get your adhesive promoter, wipe the whole bottom area where the lip's gonna mount because it is using a 3M double-sided tape. Again, screws are optional. We do recommend it. Have some screws, but if you don't really want to, it's fine. Okay, guys, now it's clean. Go ahead, have someone help you put the lip up, put the clips in, and then peel the 3M tape off and apply. You put the 3M tape on and the clips in. Go ahead and insert the self-tapping screws. This indicator holds all along the bottom of the lip. And work your way through one by one. And this will help it secure so it won't go anywhere. All right, guys, here it is. We just finished Michael's Type R. As you can see, the car is completely transformed from the front to the side to the rear. Okay, granted, yes, he's gonna need to lower the car and add some wheels, possibly springs and spacer first, and then the wheels. I don't know, that's the journey. But as you can see, the front end, especially on the championship white, guys, the black and the white contrast looks crazy. So the car looks more flared out, looks a little bit wider now. Yeah, guys, so the front was super easy to install. It took us less than 5 minutes. So putting it together took us maybe like 3 minutes. The sides, again, took a little bit of time, about 5 minutes or so. Rear spats, 2 minutes, super easy. As you can see from every angle of the car right now, the car looks transformed. Wow, it looks super amazing. But that's it for today's video, guys. I'm gonna cut it short because we're supposed to show you guys the wing, but we're gonna save it for the next video. So the wing is actually on our Type R, and Michael's at work. We actually swapped cars today to get this parts on for him. So we're gonna come back next week to do that. So in the meantime, that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed today's Type R content. If you're interested in the lip kit, I will link it below for the full kit. So these are in stock, so take advantage now, get it before they sold out, because I think the side skirts are running low already. We're planning to do an extension on Michael's car, but we're gonna hold off to now because actually, I'll just show you. This is the extension. This is our stock factory wing, right? With the extension, actually, it looks a lot more aggressive. But because Michael's gonna be running our new wing, we're not gonna put the extension on his car. But, you know, just for reference for those interested to see what it looks like with or without the extension. That's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed today's content. Make sure to subscribe, share, like this video, and we will catch you guys in the next one. Also, enjoy these videos coming up.